with another video with my Auntie B. So, as you guys can see below, we're doing a bean boozle challenge. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's a bit bright outside. We're going to be doing the bean boozle challenge. Yeah. I've tried this before, but ages ago, but I don't know what it's going to taste like now. You know, this is the Australian one. I've only tried the New Zealand one. Doesn't make sense, but so we're going to get to the video. Oh.
Are you paying this or not?
Yeah.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. So we got the little flick board. See which one it lands on. So we got the yucky flavors and the nice flavors. We got tutti frutti or stinky socks, peach or vomit, lime or lawn clippings, juicy pear and booger, chocolate pudding or canned dog food, coconut baby wipes, berry blue toothpaste, and buttered popcorn or rotten egg. You know we love rotten eggs, guys.
Important. Very important.
Very brutal. It's a brutal challenge. I've got a lot of jelly beans there. Oh, it just went dark as. Exposing myself. Oh man, it stinks already. It smells like. It smells like dog food. Gang, mo. Oh, I knew it. I always do paper first. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna lose today. Alright. See which one it lands on.
What's the blue one?
We got berry blue or toothpaste. Either way, those probably taste good. I probably need the toothpaste right now. So we'll both pick up it.
Are we both or one?
I'm not sure. Or both pick. See. So we got a blue. Hopefully she gets the toothpaste. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. No, I got the toothpaste.
To show it.
I got toothpaste.
Yep, toothpaste.
Not too shabby. But you could really smell the dog food one. Know what I'm saying?
My turn. Oops. I'll move my fat fingers out of the way.
Ooh.
Green.
Wait. We got lime or lawn clippings, guys. Interesting.
Yeah, my green. You can see through my fat fingers.
It smells like dog pudding.
3, 2, 1.
Ah, yes. I'm saved.
What's
lawn clippings?
Yeah.
They look like the grass outside after you mow them.
It was lime? Can I smell it?
Oh, I put it smell my stink breath.
I didn't even know what to look like lime.
Yeah. Oh no.
Brown?
So we got the good
chocolate
old
pudding or canned dog food.
Delicious. Oh, we're gonna smell it. Oh, I smell so. Oh no. I think I got the canned dog food.
Brown.
Brown girl in the rain.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, I got chocolate pudding, yes! I think they throw you off with the smell. Oh, she got the canned dog food, bro.
That's nasty.
We still have yet to try the other flavors. Ah, we landed on juicy pear or... Oh, no. We landed on peach or vomit. I feel like I'm gonna get some good luck today. Peach or vomit, guys. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I can taste it. Damn it!
What is it?
Vomit or peach.
Now, this definitely a peach.
I'm trying to finish it, but
I think it's vomit. Has that soury taste?
usually I can finish it, but every time I swallow it makes me feel like vomiting. Oh, it's right through there. Doesn't it? It stinks, bro. Stinks playing games with us, guys. Oh no, we got the juicy pear. Oh no,
The colourful one.
why do I keep saying juicy pear? Tutti frutti.
Tutti frutti or stinky socks?
Our breath is just getting worse today. 3, 2, 1. It smells like stinky socks. Ah, yes! I love Tutti Frutti. Those work socks.
It's definitely not fruity, yeah. It's yucky.
Just like the Tutti Frutti bubblegum.
But it's not bad.
Stinky socks ain't that bad. Okay. Because it's just never gonna land on one. We're gonna try juicy pear or boogers. I used to eat my snots when I was younger. True fact. Boogers. Did you ever eat your snots when you were younger?
Have you ever tasted your snots?
I used to do that when I was younger. I'll just sit, watch the clock in the sitting room and then I'll like pick one. Yeah, it was disgusting, but I'm sure every kid did that.
I don't know. I don't think I did. No, I think I did.
Especially at the pools when you like come out the water and then your snots go in your nose or mouth. And it's like, nah, I can't relate. I've never had that.
I don't know about that.
Can't relate. Some green for you. Looks like it's got boogers on it. No, I feel like mine's a booger this one. 3, 2, 1.
What was it? Boogers and what?
Juicy pear. I got a juicy pear, but it tastes really like foul. I could hear it shuffling in the background. I just didn't know what to think.
Good.
Hopefully we get dog. Oh, your turn. That's your turn. I got a bit excited there. Sorry, guys. Oh, now we get the new ones. Oh, Mom's gonna love this one.
Buttered popcorn and rotten egg.
You know how
Yes.
Mom hates eggs, guys. Join us.
What colour is that one?
Oh. Oh, come on. Okay, it tastes like rotten egg at first, now it tastes like popcorn. Oh, I got buttered popcorn, but it tastes really yuck. What'd you get? I think my mom got... It's like a mix between buttered popcorn and
Rotten egg.
rotten egg. Oh, that was disgusting.
Popcorn.
Yeah, it tastes yucky. I think they're trying to throw us off. Oh, yes. We got coconut or baby wipes.
Oh, please, coconut.
I can see it. Oh my god, coconut. I need to know if you actually ate it. I got coconut, guys.
I got white.
I got coconut.
Whee! What should we do now? Should we like mix it up? Should we grab like a whole bunch of one each?
when you're doing washing.
Yeah, I know. Sorry about the washing machine, guys.
No, it's not the board game.
Yeah.
We just pick.
Yep. So guys, we got one of each flavor and we're gonna try it and hopefully it tastes good.
I hope she has a dog food because the dog food's more powerful.
Yeah. I hope you get vomit and dog food and sticky sack. 3, 2, 1. Oh man, that buttered popcorn overpowers everything. I think I got vomit.
And I got dog food.
I can taste the tutti frutti and it's helping me get through it.
The dog food's overpowering all of the flavours.
It's the buttered popcorn that's putting me off, but the tutti frutti is helping me out.
Why don't we do this? And then you close your eyes and then put one in your mouth and then you
Okay, yeah. And we have to guess what flavour it is?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it sucks because we already know what to do.
No, and then I close my eyes and then you pick whatever the
Okay.
and you put it on. And then you close your eyes.
Yep.
You hear that, guys? Yeah? Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Let's just try and guess what flavour it is. Did I get chocolate pudding?
I got what?
I think I got buttered popcorn.
I'm so true.
Ah, what? I thought it was buttered popcorn, but it's canned dog food.
I thought it was.
I don't even know what
What did I say? Wipes. But
Yeah.
it's.
Mine were long cookies.
No. Not juicy pear or booger.
Oh,
Must be boogers.
yeah, has to be. What could be your favourite? Oh, this must be booger. Oh no, baby wipes. Booger or baby wipes?
Ah, wipes.
Yeah, I think this is wipes.
Ah.
Right. Putting it to your chin. Okay. Toothpaste. I got toothpaste.
Still trying to figure out mine.
I think I see blue here.
Wipes again.
Man. Alright.
3.
I heard I got juicy pear.
I got dog food.
Oh,
That's one disgusting.
yeah, I think I got juicy pear.
They should ban the dog food.
Yeah.
Yuck.
I can't wait for them to do a new one. I wonder what flavors they're going to do.
Imagine all these sticky outputs.
Oh, stinky. Oh, bro, don't even go there. Ew! I'm vomiting already. Or like.
Too jammy.
Yeah. Oh, I feel like this is boogers. Because it's boogers. Boogers or long clippings?
Boogers.
Boogers, yeah.
Dog
for sure.
food. Why it smells say dark coffee? I think it's chocolate pudding.
Yeah, at first it tastes like canned dog food and then it starts to change. Isn't it like... Got it! And we are done skis, bro. That was disgusting. What did you think of this challenge?
Disgusting.
Absolutely. Until they release another one, we will be back with another Bean Boozled video.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to click on the bell below for the post notifications bell, And yeah, for all my new subscribers, thank you for watching and thank you for coming back to my channel again. And I hope to
keep on coming back.
Yeah, keep on coming back, guys. If you want to see more challenges or whatever, just let us know.
Yeah, comment down below.
Because we know I'm going to win as always.
She wish.
I'm going to beat y'all. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Adios amigos.
Comment down below what you want us to do. Especially her. Kakite.
Kakite amu.